Canva Flipbook, how to make a flipbook in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can easily create a flipbook using Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So before anything else, a brief introduction about Canva for those who don't know about this app. Canva is one of the most famous web and graphic design apps with easy to use features and functionality that enables you to create web content, graphic design, animated GIFs or videos quickly, even if you don't know much about design. So to start with, first visit the site canva.com and create your own account here. And no worries because you can use this software for free. I've been using this app for free for more than 2 years for social media contents and graphic designs. So here I already log in to my account, and this is the main dashboard of my Canva account. So let's begin by searching first here the design that we want to create today. So for today's tutorial, flipbook, so let's search for books. And here you can see some of the suggested templates that you can use to start your design. You can also start from scratch and create your own size format for the design, but for beginners, it is much better to start with a template. It makes everything more easier for you. So here, just click on See All for you to see all the available templates that they have. So I will now start looking for templates here that I can use for my design. So you have bunch of selection here to choose from that will be perfectly suit your needs. So take note that this template with money signs are paid templates. So it means that you need to buy it. So just pick template that doesn't have money or crown sign. So for example, I will choose this template like for magazine, but it will depends on you guys if what kind of flipbook you want to create. And as you can see, you have now the different pages here. But let me just go back here in our dashboard and I will just search for photo books. I just want to create like a flipbooks, and inside it are just photos and just short text. So I will just select this 11 by 8.5 inches. And here I will select again another template. So for example, this one here, and let's just say that I want to share my cooking recipes, or if you want to show your restaurant menus if you own a restaurant. So here is our template now. It has 20 more pages. So here you can simply customize the design and you can change or add your own photos. You can simply upload your photos here, click upload and go to upload media and just select your photos from your computer. So for now, I will keep all the photos here because they have really good photos and all these foods are look so delicious. Now this makes me feel hungry. So moving on, here on the first page, you can change this symbol. You can add your own logo here if you have. Just upload your logo file. Or you can just look for another element. So let's go to elements and I will just search for foods here and I will filter the result to graphics. And here I will just select this one. And then let me just turn it a little bit, just like that. And I will also resize it. And after that, let me position it here. I can also change the color of this element up here. Let make everything black, just like that. So I saw an open element here a while ago, so let me just find it. And here, let me add this one. Let me just resize it. And then I will just position it here. And by the way, you can also use your keyboard arrow to move your elements, images, and text. Here it is. It looks amazing now. And you can also change the text here, but for now, I will not gonna change it. So let's move here. And this is our last page. And here to delete some pages, just click the page. And up here, you have your delete option to delete the page. Or you can simply add another page after this page. And here you can simply add your own photo from your gallery, just like that, and then add some text. So let me just copy the text from the previous page to make the text all uniform to all my pages. And here I can start adding my text. For example, I will write here my favorite seafoods in one platter. So that's it. So assuming that we are done, the next step that you need to do is click here, share, and then select more and find the simple booklet and then click on it. So Simple Booklet is another app that you can integrate with your Canva account. So for beginners, you can create an account first here for you to start using Simple Booklet for you to create your own flipbook. So I already created an account and connect my Simple Booklet here. I will just go ahead and save all the 23 pages and just wait till finish. And once done, just click on View in Simple Booklet and you'll be prompted here inside the Simple Booklet app. And here you can put title to your Simple Booklet. For example, I will title here my restaurant menu. And down here you have also the fold option if you want no fold or bifold, trifold, or fold gate. So let me just choose no fold here and then just click on complete and wait for the setup. It may take a moment to complete. And then once it completed, you will be redirected here, your simple booklet page. And here, when you slide it, it doesn't look like a flip book yet. So to make it as a flip book, just go to design. And here, first, choose a theme. This will be your background for your flip book. Let me just choose this one and just wait for it to apply. And after that, set up your flip transition here. And over here, you have this page curl. And this is the one that make your pages a flip book. So let's try to click next now. So as you can see, it is now a flip book. And this apply to all your pages. And the next thing that you need to do is click next. And here you can also add some audio or make it a video. I will just skip this part, then just click next here. And after that, here you can share this simple booklet flipbook through email or different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or to other social media. So just copy the URL link here and then you can paste it in your social media post or email and send it to your customers or to your email list so that they can view your flipbook. And next, you can also get some analytics from Simple Booklet about this flipbook that you just created here. Like you can check how many visitors you have and more. So that's how easy and fast you can create your own flipbook using Canva app and with the help of the Simple Booklet app as well. So even though you don't have any design knowledge and skills, you can still create your own designs and flipbook in just a few minutes with these two apps that we used here. So I hope that you learned something from this video today. And if you have any question, guys, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.